Hey everybody! Today on Make Your Mark, we are making some faceted wooden knobs using my VEVOR 1" by 30" belt sander with 5" disc sander. The best thing about this VEVOR sander is that it's easy to use and it's also really affordable. It only took a few minutes to assemble and I was working on my project right away. I'm going to leave a link to the sander in the description, so definitely check it out. It's perfect for all of your craft projects that need a little bit of sanding. Are you ready? Let's make some knobs. This sander has a high performance motor and boasts a powerful 2.5 amp fully enclosed induction motor that runs at 3,500 RPM, which provides higher sanding power and quieter operation compared to other motors. Belt sanding is suitable for large areas, rapid sanding, and shaping, while disc sanding is ideal for precise grinding and polishing work, and this sander has them both. The cast iron base and rubber feet work together to provide additional stabilization and effectively minimize vibration during operation. Sanders have been around for more than 90 years. The first one, which looked remarkably like a modern belt sander, was invented in 1926 by Art Emmons at the Porter Cable Factory in Syracuse, New York. Osborne Dorsey, a 16-year-old African-American, invented the doorknob in 1878, which changed the culture of people using unorthodox means of keeping their doors closed. Originally used for dental fixtures, epoxies were created in the 1930s by two scientists, Dr. Pierre Castin in Switzerland and Dr. Sylvan Greenlee in the United States. I'm going to leave a link to everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I promise to get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Home Decor, and I will see you real soon. Bye.